Nirvana Spa is a day and member spa in Berkshire, and what we offer our customers is a really relaxing experience. We've got a beautiful spa garden here which is very popular with our customers. They love enjoying the pool and the 4 jacuzzis. In the summer months they are able to enjoy al fresco dining on the patio area, but we were looking to build something that would allow them to enjoy that experience year round. The pergola seemed like the perfect opportunity for that. Our CEO Sean was looking for 2 things when he was trying to choose the flooring. Firstly, he needed a product of really high quality to be in keeping with the rest of the spa. Secondly, he was looking for a system that would allow him to put the flooring over the existing sloping patio and also to raise up the level so that it would be flush with the restaurant. This will allow customers to move freely between the restaurant and the pergola area and provide level access for wheelchair users. Our build team found the wall barn system very easy to work with. The adjustable pedestals allow them to compensate for the sloping area and any unevenness in the patio and quickly create a level flooring with minimum disruption to any of our customers. The flooring has a really rich colour and the wood grain effect comes through, which makes the product look really smart on the floor. For our customers, there are obviously no risk of splinters. It's very comfortable. Some of our customers will be walking barefoot, so it feels lovely for them. The flooring is non-porous, which is great. We're using it in a dining area with heavy foot traffic. It's very easy to clean and stays looking smart. Some of the ingredients in the decking are made from recycled materials, and that was another tick in the box for Nirvana Spa, as we are always really careful to source environmentally friendly products where we can. Our customers are really delighted with the pergola and the opportunity to dine in the spa garden year round, and obviously the flooring is a really important part of that.